One of the most important things that I would recommend is to get a substance abuse evaluation early on after being charged with or being arrested for operating while intoxicated. And the reason being is that a professional would be in a much better position to determine whether there might be any substance abuse issues that would be something to explore or to treat. And we represent a lot of clients who have no problems at all with alcohol and some that have significant problems with alcohol. And, it's much better than having your attorney make that call, to have a licensed professional make that decision and to give recommendations what can be done. And that allows a person to be very proactive about what's recommended in that substance abuse evaluation. Sometimes there's a recommendation for alcohol education to make sure people know how much time needs to pass after consuming a certain amount of alcohol for their body type and weight. Other times, it's much more intensive. It could be outpatient treatment. It could be even inpatient treatment, residential treatment. So there's a whole spectrum of different options out there for people, but they're not going to know what to do next if they don't have someone give them good recommendations that would be helpful to them. It's not right for somebody to go check themselves in inpatient, if it's the very first time they've ever consumed alcohol and they're not even 18 years old and they had too much that time. That doesn't necessarily mean they're always going to abuse alcohol the rest of their life. They may just not have known the effects that time. And likewise, alcohol education is probably not going to help somebody who needs much more than that. So that's the first step I always recommend to my clients going forward.